Welcome to this course on plastic design considerations, a practical, engineer friendly guide that will help you design plastic products with confidence, clarity, and real world understanding. Whether you're a mechanical engineer, a product designer, a student, or someone working on your first prototype, this course will give you the mindset and tools needed to design plastic parts that are functional, reliable, and manufacturable. Plastics are everywhere in consumer electronics, automotive interiors, medical devices, appliances, toys, packaging, and even industrial machinery. Yet most engineers learn metal design in college and are left to figure out plastic behavior on their own. That gap is exactly what this course will fill. In this series, we'll start by building a strong foundation, why plastics behave the way they do, and how that behavior should influence your design decisions. We'll explore polymer science in a very practical way. No complex chemistry, just the physics and material behavior you need to know as a designer. We'll walk through mechanical properties, failure modes, material selection, manufacturing constraints, and design guidelines for real world plastic parts. You'll understand concepts like creep, snap fit design, wall thickness optimization, ribbing, draft angles, weld line issues, and how to read material data sheets without feeling overwhelmed. Everything is explained with examples and case studies, from consumer electronics to automotive to medical devices, so you can immediately connect theory with industrial practice. By the end of this course, you will think differently about plastic design. You'll be able to choose the right polymer, design parts that are strong and lightweight, avoid common failures, communicate effectively with tool makers, and make decisions that reduce cost and improve reliability. This course will help you design plastic products that not only look good on screen but also perform well in the real world and survive years of actual use. So let's begin, because understanding plastics isn't just about learning a material, it's about learning a whole new design language. Welcome to the course.